Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of aquatic pets, specifically focusing on turtles. And what better product to review than the best aquarium heater for turtles currently available?
Introducing the Orlushy 25W Small Submersible Aquarium Heater. This powerful little device is designed to keep your turtle's habitat at the perfect temperature, ensuring their comfort and well-being.
Let's take a closer look at what makes this heater stand out from the competition. Firstly, the Orlushy heater is perfect for smaller tanks, ranging from 1 to 6 gallons.
This makes it ideal for turtle habitats, providing consistent warmth without taking up too much space. One of the standout features of this heater is its automatic temperature control.
Once plugged in, it maintains a steady temperature of 78 degrees Fahrenheit, the optimal temperature for turtles. Plus, with a built-in thermostat, you can trust that your turtle's environment will always be just right.
Despite its compact size, the Orlushy heater is built to last. Made from high-quality materials including heat-resistant ABS and non-corrosive quartz glass, this heater can withstand the rigors of daily use in your turtle tank.
Works perfect.
Great price and quality, my betta is thriving.
Heats quickly and efficiently. Temperature always stays the same.
Very happy with this purchase.
With its compact size, precise temperature control, and durable construction,
the Orlushy 25W Small Submersible Aquarium Heater is undoubtedly the best choice for turtle owners looking to create the perfect habitat for their aquatic friends. That's all for today's review.
If you're interested in purchasing the Orlushy heater or learning more about other top-notch products, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and helpful tips.
Until next time, happy pet parenting.